Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. I know this seems a little different. I'm talking to you directly as opposed to doing a voiceover, which is my normal way of doing videos. Sadly, I injured myself and I can only sit for a short period of time. So I'm trying to catch up on some work here. I owe the YouTube channel several Monday Makes videos as well as Wednesdays and Fridays. So I'm trying to do as much as I can in the short period of time that I have allotted for sitting. So hope you don't mind. And here I'm getting into the meat of the video. So today I'm featuring the Delicate Dahlias stamp set, and this is a free with purchase. It's $60 here in Canada. If you wanted to buy $60 worth of stuff, you can get this. I think this is a level 2, so you have to, do $120 to get this item for free. Anyway, it's a beautiful stamp set. I am using some products that I don't normally use. So here is the polished pink, and what I've actually done is I've taken my bone folder and scraped the ink sort of and pushed it down so that this is more of a muted color. And I'm going to stamp on, this is a piercing mat, and I probably should stamp on the piercing mat. And this is Very Vanilla, which is a product I don't often use. So I'm just going to stamp it down using my piercing mat to give a little bit of cushion to this fine lined stamp set. And I got a good impression, so that's great. I'm going to stamp it a little closer to the bottom as well, down here. And I'm using polished pink for this. Evening Evergreen. And I'm going to stamp a leaf right here. And I'm just going to flip my piercing mat over so that I can, it has a non-porous surface I've glued to it. So that means that it's just going to sit there. The ink is not going to get ooky on my desk. And I think I'll stamp one here as well. And I'm just going to take a little baby wipe off my non-porous surface. There you go. Okay, so I was a part of my own paper share, and we got some of this cork specialty paper. And I'm pretty sure that it's actually a very fine layer of cork that is adhered to some very thin paper. It feels like cork. It balls up like cork. I am pretty sure that this is cork. So what I ended up doing was I cut an 1.5 inch piece wide and 4 1/4 long, and I adhered it just to some extra Very Vanilla cardstock. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to put this up on dimensionals, but first I thought I would stamp on it. And so in order for me to stamp on it, I have to get a few things ready. First of all, the sentiments here on this stamp set are photopolymer. And we also advise that you never use StazOn with your photopolymer because A, it stains it, and B, I think this is a sort of a solvent-based ink, and this could react with it. So what I'm doing is I have this is like a Stampin' Scrub it's called, so it's a stamp cleaner, and I have some of the Stampin' Mist, and I am just going to make sure that it's nicely sprayed down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink up my stamp set very generously with my StazOn ink, and this dries very, very quickly. So once you have it inked up, you want to stamp really quickly And then I'm going to clean it off straight away. So that stamp is slightly stained, but not quite. And I think that I've gotten all of the ink off of it. I could easily just take my Stampin' scrub. There is an stays on ink remover that gets stuff off of your stamp set, but I'm pretty sure that I've gotten this back to very clean so that I can see through it if I want to. And my cork has a sentiment on it. How cool is that? Alrighty, so basically now I want to put some ribbon on it, and I think I had a ribbon around here somewhere. Okie dokie, so I have my Stampin' seal here, and I am putting it all over, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the ribbon right around. So I thought I would get it right about on top. There we go. I'm going to try to hide the unsightly seam. There we go. All right. Nice and taut. These are my ribbon scissors. They have a little ribbon cut to it, attached to it. This is the open weave ribbon in the polished pink variety. Okay, so I'm gonna adhere this straight on my card, about 1/4 of an inch up, and hopefully, yes, it does cover the sponge. Yippee-yay. So I'm just making sure this section here works, that section, and then I'm just going to take another little piece of ribbon and slip it underneath, and I'm just going to tie a little bow, or not a bow, a knot. So let's see, where do we want that? Over here, I think. All right, ribbon scissors to the rescue. Always cut on a diagonal so they don't fray. All right, it's a simple card. Has a lot of products that I don't normally use. And that is the card for today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section or in the supply section of my blog. The links will take you to my online store. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to earn your business. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.